Hello, this is Anuj. You are 170. So I'm with my ninth video of my case to lab. So in this experiment, I have to do about the forward engineering. So this is a scenario what I got. My scenario is about the online course registration. So this is a scenario. So at the beginning of each semester, the student may request a course catalog. So the student will have the information about each course, such as professor, department, and other things. And there is an online registration system that will allow student to select at least four courses, and each student have to indicate two alternative choice in the case the course is dropped or cancelled, and the course offering fewer than three students will be cancelled. And once the registration process is complete, the it will send a billing system to the student what they have to pay, and the professor must be able to access the online system. So now we will go to the star UML. So this is the star UML. So what is about all about forward engineering is that, so we will take one class, and we will generate code for that particular class. So that's about the forward engineering. So as you can see already, the class diagram is there for the online course registration. So the process is, first you have to go to the model and go to the profiles, and you have to include all the profiles like C++, C hash, whatever it is given. So you have to include first. So I already included everything, and then you have to choose any one class whatever you want to generate a code. So I'm choosing the class called course registration. So I'm right click, then I'm going to C++, and there is an option called generate code. Then I will click the generate code. So as you can see, so I will click in the design model. So it is there in the design model. So go next, and this is a class name, full class name. So I'm selecting one class, that is course reg. What I'm going to generate a code. So next, so where I want to save, so I will save here in computer, and there's a folder name called case tool experiment 9. So here I will save my code, and that is a header file .h, implementation file is .cpp. Then we will go to the next. So as you can see, the C++ code generation has been completed successfully. So now we can see the code. The code I saved in, my folder, that a Z folder name called case tool experiment 9. So I'll open it. So as you can see, there are two files. One is .cpp and one is .h. So we have to open the .h file. So now as you can see, for the particular class, the code has been generated. So the class name called course reg, and the functions like void registration, void detail, and private, it's having the string course name, course code, department, faculty. So whatever it is there in the class, so same code will be generated. The same code, as you can see, it is generated here. So that's all about the forward engineering. Thank you for watching this video.